Hey guys, I'm here with Crybaby, Fitz Crybaby. That's what I wanted to show you today. Today I wanted to show you my childhood camera. Alrighty, here it is. This is a EZ101 RCA Small Wonder camera from about 2005. I got my original one around 2006 or 2007, and I shot so much footage on this growing up. I went to school and shot footage. I shot footage in our parking lot. You have the jack for the TV, and then you have the battery compartment. I gotta put batteries in here. Okay, I've put two AA batteries in it, and here it is working. Let me shoot some footage on it to add to this video. Webbo. Handsome boy. Look at him. Hi, Athena. Oh, my sweet, sweet Webbo. Look at you. Look at him. So handsome. Okay, there you go, baby. You got a beautiful mouth. Oh, you sound so sweet. Yes, you do. My sweet Webbo. Oh, my prince. This is my prince right there. My good boy. He's so fluffy. Nice summer day. Well, I guess it's still spring. Not quite summer yet. Not until I think June 21st. June 20th, somewhere around there. There's my Webbo. My handsome boy. Look at him strutting away. That is a handsome kitty right there. One of the best cats you'll find on the planet. Nothing but a good boy. Right there. Beautiful. I love that boy. Webbo. I love you. Webbo. Merrick. Why? I see.
I have one kitten that has imprinted on me.
Do it.
I say, what are you doing? Wait a minute, buddy.
These two are good friends. There they are. There's Corey, Diva, and Webbo. Webbo, where you going, baby boy? Are you purring? Come on. Come on. My boy. You're so handsome. Want me to sit down there with you? Oh. Corey petting Mara. At the blue rat over here in the sunlight. Eating him some pancakes. And there's Mama and Minnie. Minnie, what are you doing? Are you chewing on that? Silly girl.
I ordered you a men's cologne and they sent me 4 women's and not the men's cologne.
Oh, outrageous.
That's what I was gonna say. It is. I did order this one. Okay.
Merrick. Merrick the Mewer. Uh-oh. What a handsome fella.